How to use nearby setup on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've bought a new Android phone and want to transfer data quickly from your old device, nearby device setup makes the process simple and wireless. Here's how you can use it. First thing first, you need to know what you can do with the nearby device setup. It will let you transfer Google account, apps, contacts, messages, and settings and set up a new phone without cable. You can also use Bluetooth, Wi Fi, and Google accounts securely. And there are some requirements before you start. Make sure both your Wi Fi and Bluetooth is turned on and you have enough battery, at least 50%. And you also need to be signed in or ready when sign into your Google account. Now, for that, you can go ahead and open up settings and turn on the new Android phone. Once that is done, you can select your language and region, and when prompted, just tap on Start, choose Setup, and use another language. You can choose your nearby device setup. Then a notification saying set up nearby devices will appear. Just tap on it and confirm the code shown on your new phone. Allow permission when asked, and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.